Today we will study staggered PRF, staggered pulse repetition frequency. The change of repetition frequency allows the radar on a pulse to pulse basis to differentiate between returns from its own transmission and return from other radar system with same pulse repetition frequency and similarly the radio frequency. It means that staggered PRF means pulse repetition frequency. If we change the repetition frequency which allowing the radar from pulse to pulse, so it from the transmission it returns other radar system with the same PRF and with the same frequency, so the target reflection appear at a relatively constant range. For example, in today's very crowded radio spectrum, there may be many other pulses. There will be many other pulses detected by the receiver either directly from the transmitter or reflection. There is a radio spectrum in which the receiver detects it from the transmitter and the reflection, but apparent distance is defined between their time to the last transmission of radar, so it's jamming the pulses, means there is so much distances in the pulses. When the PRF of the jamming radar is very similar to our radar, those apparent distance may be slowly changing, means the jamming processes occurred. Jamming means रुकावट, ठीक है, जाम लग जाना, वैसा फ्रीक्वेंसीज बहुत सारी मिसमैच होने लगती हैं, तो इन सब को रोकने के लिए एक स्टैगर्ड PRF बनाया गया. By using this staggered, a radar designer can force the jamming to jump around in an apparent range. And reducing and suppressing the target and reducing and suppressing its impact on a target, means it reduces the frequency. By using staggered, a radar designer can force the jamming to jump around in apparent range and reducing and suppressing its, means whatever the impact are occurring on the target, it can be reduced by using a staggering. Without staggered PRF, any pulse originating from another radar on the same radio frequency might appear stable in time and could be mistaken, means there is mismatching occurred in a frequencies. So many frequencies are working from the single transmitter, so it's mismatching occurs, means interference occur. So to stop this, we introduce a staggered, which will stop the jamming process and which stable in time. At a time we get the target position. So this is a staggered. Now we will study the next topic, MTI radar processor. So in a pulsed radar, the radar signal consist short pulses. Okay, consist in a pulse radar, the radar signal consists short pulses in a form of a sine wave carrier. Okay, in the form of a sine wave carrier, so the time delay between the transmitter of each pulse and the reception of the echo at the same pulse is proportional to the target range. Okay, is proportional to target range. Okay, in the pulse radar, the receiver system, the radar signal consists of short pulse. Okay, the short pulse in the form of sine wave carrier. So the time delay between the transmission and receiver pulse and the reception we getting are echo signals of the same pulse, which is proportional to the target range. So this phase of the echo signal also depend on the phase also. There is an echo signal is proportional to the target range, and the phase signal is also depend on the target range. So if the phase of the target transmitted signal is stable from pulse to pulse, so the phase of the echo signal received from fixed target will also be stable. If phase is stable, then echo signal received from a fixed target is also be stable. Okay, means constant. If the target is moving, the phase of the echo signal will depend at the rate on the target radial velocity, and the rate of change of the phase in the Doppler frequency is also be depend on the range. Similarly, there are two types of MTI. First is coherence and second one is non-coherent. The coherence means a phase stable from pulse to pulse. Okay, phase is stable from pulse to pulse is said to be coherent, and for the non-coherent means there is a phase detection in a radar by comparing the phase detection in a radar by comparing the phase of the received echo signals. Okay, with the reference signal, means we are comparing the phase detection of the echo signal and with the reference signal, which is coherent with the transmitting signal. So the radar that uses such a reference signal for signal demodulation, a radar that uses demodulation, uses reference signal for signal demodulation, is known as coherent. coherent radar, non-coherent radar. Okay, non-coherent or coherent radar means same. This is a topic. Now it's